Howdy folks, General back to you. Fixing to show you a tool that I've got made. I've made many years ago. And I'm setting up a display right here to show you how it works. You know, you can hold those things down like that and crank them up a whole lot easier than you can if they're all the way open. That one's on there. And the reason I'm not putting these on ahead of time, I'm putting them up there to let you see how tight they are. And what angles that they're on. Of course, I don't have a lot of grip. This tool that I'm fixing to give y'all, you know how hard it is to open a pair of vice grips, especially when you got them that tight. Whew. Now they got the little squeezer things on there, but you got to have a pair of pliers to get those squeezers going. I've got bukus of pairs of vice grips on here. And we'll bring you up close so you can inspect that. All right, now I'm fixing to show you the tool. It's a very easy to make tool. You need go to Walmart or somewhere or another. I get these at Walmart. This is a bicycle grip. It's got real good grip teeth on it. Okay? And just so happens 1/2 inch rigid pipe is a perfect fit for this thing. Yeah. So get you one of these grips, cut you a piece of 1/2 inch rigid pipe about 1/2 inch longer than what it takes to fill this thing up. Okay? Then take you a piece of 1/8 1x1 angle iron, cut it about 5-6 inches long, just whatever floats your boat. Round your edges off. See here? See how I got that rounded off? Stick it down in that pipe and run your bead around it. Then come around on this side and run your bead on that. And smooth it out good. Radius your edges up here on the end. I mean, you don't want to take all your edges off, but you want them rounded off. The holes are just in there. That was a scrap piece of stuff that I used. Now, you can use that way or this way, whatever floats your boat. But you don't have to sit there and keep turning because you got 90 degrees anywhere you're at. Now, this area right here where they go together, you put this in there. Okay? See what I'm doing? See that area? Not in this little doolally here, but stick it all the way up far as you can go. And then what you're going to do, you're just going to raise this up. And it will float that thing right off. It'll open it up so pretty. So you hold it down here. Don't hold it up here, because when it pops, it'll get you in the hand. Okay? Because all that spring pressure and all that pressure you got on it, it's got to go somewhere. So make sure you got a glove on when you take these things off. Okay? Or at least be holding it down here where you're not going to get into nothing. Now you just watch me put those things on. Now these two I can't take off because they're holding, well, let's see. Yeah, I can take these two off. Get this one right here first. Now see, put that in there like that. See how easy that is? Put that in there like that. Now you can't beat that with a stick. Put that in there. All right. See, I'm holding it this way. Okay, that's vertical. Lay it in there anyway. Pop it loose. There's another. There's a little one. Now those two down there are holding this. So I'll get one over here. Are you getting my drift now? I mean, how easy is that? All right, now this one's holding that on, so one of them's going to the floor. Now, how fast can you make one of those? Now, I'm going to tell you something now. These ain't on the market. They ain't on the market. I've looked. Okay? It's something that simple, works that good. And this tool right here, I bet you, it's every bit of 20 years old. You can look at the paint job on that thing, and I've painted that 2 or 3 times. That's a good grip. Y'all go make you one now. And somebody patent that thing and get it on the shelves. Because there's a lot of folks out there that'll use this, but they ain't gonna make it. They don't know how to make it. Okay? I mean, as simple as that is, looks like it'd be on the market, but they're not. So some cotton picker out there that's got the moxie and the balls and a little bit of money behind them, market that thing. And then put it in my comments, and I'll go buy me one. All right, I love everybody. I appreciate you. Remember the golden rule now. Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Love your neighbor as yourself. And love the Lord thy God with all thy heart and with all thy soul, with all thy mind and with all thy strength. Love thy neighbor as thyself. That was the last two commandments that Jesus gave us. So that goes right on the end of the 10 commandments. Love everybody. Y'all like and subscribe. Hit the bell and make comments. Make that algorithm kick this thing in. Love you. This is General. I'm out.